In the upcoming days, it will be possible for the AIs to write the movie scripts and to write the whole books for other people to read and watch the movie. Artificial intelligence, it's a topic in its own, and like every industry and everywhere we see the use of artificial intelligence in today's world. It's growing very rapidly now, and there are a lot of use cases for the same. Hello, myself Webber, and I work as a lead developer in Alia, and we're working on a lot of projects related to the AIs and all. We are implementing AIs in most of our softwares and projects that we are creating. So first comes the term AI maturity. So what do we mean by AI maturity? Is like we know that in the past few years, when the AI term is not very well known, and the companies are using a few of the tools to automate the work for the processes that they are doing. So they have to do that work manually, and day by day they start implementing the use cases of the AI. So they started doing that particular work in the in automation process, but then day after they start growing in their approach, and we got the use case of AI where they start using that in their everyday tasks, and they started implementing that in their everyday work they are doing. So now let's talk about the topic of rise of generative AI. We are using most of the things, we are doing most of the works, whether it's in our company or maybe in our personal work, if we are doing any. So in that particular case, we are using AI. We started using AI now. So what do we mean by generative AI? Generative AI means that the AI can do the work for us. So now, previous days, we're not able to ask the AIs to write articles for us, generate images for us, but now in today's world we can easily able to generate the images using the AIs and tools we have to write the articles for us. So we have tools like chat GPTs and DALL-E, which can generate images for us and write articles for us. So these are the generative AIs that we are started using these days, and they are growing day by day with time. Talk about the use cases of generative AIs and how different industries are using these generative AIs in their work. We have different industries that are using generative AIs, like the healthcare. If we talk about the healthcare, they are using that generative AI to do the operations these days, and to diagnostic any type of treatments or any type of disease that we have. So healthcare industry is using that generative AI these days. And then now if we talk about the movie industry, so now we have the movie industry are now started using the AI to write the scripts for the movies as well these days, and also to generate the CGI effect as well for few of their movies. So if we talk about other industries like the marketing industry, they started using the AIs to generate the ad campaigns, and to write the articles for themselves and for their markets. They are also using the AIs for the same case. We also have the chatbots for the different industries. They are using the chatbots to ask people different questions based on their interest, and response they are generating new questions by themselves. So it's kind of a thing that different industries are using these days for benefit and for their growth. It's very important for your company or for your organization to stay ahead in this particular AI race. And what actionable items you can perform to achieve the same results is like you can start investing in the AI more and more, and start experiment the things with the AIs. You have to bring the AI in your organization to start working with the same. Another thing is you can start collaborating with the companies that are using AI right now, and also companies which are doing work in the AI related softwares or projects. Another thing is what you can do is you can start investing in the softwares and tutorials which are related to the AIs, and which will give some idea regarding that particular thing, how it's working to the maybe to the employees that are working in your company or in your organization. You have to be agile in order to be ahead in this race of the AI in the upcoming days. So it's very important for your company and organization. Generative AI is not the future, it's already here. It's there to reshape the world. Here in AleaIT Solutions, we already worked on different projects related to the AI, and on machine learning as well. We already implemented few of the projects in which we use the AI in the particular thing or the requirement that we got. We are working on different projects related to the AI, and it's very important for any organization to work for the same. You know, in the upcoming days, it will be possible for the AIs to write the movie scripts and to write the whole books for other people to read and watch the movie. In order to know such fascinating facts about the AIs and the things that the AI doing in the day-to-day life of people and organizations, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon.